Hi, my name's Dave Goodman. I've been using Acus amps for quite a long time now. They have very kindly just sent me one of their latest models, a Cremona. I will be testing this amp with 3 different guitars. A Magic Guitar Model A2, a 1933 National Duolian, and a Yamaha LS26. Acus kindly has also sent me the new Phantasma pickup, which I'm really dying to try out. It's a combination of a microphone capsule and a piezo with an external preamp, so there's nothing invasive about the installation. The battery, the preamp itself, it's all external. I'll be testing all 3 of these guitars out with the Cremona. Right now I'm gonna install the Phantasma in the Magic Guitar, so stick around and let's have a listen later on.
The first step is boring a 12mm hole for the end pin jack. We also need to bore a 3mm hole in the bridge slot for the piezo element. This can be done on the low side or the high side of the bridge. The hole needs to be 5mm outwards, away from the high or low E string, and at a 45-degree inclination. Now we thread the piezo element through the hole in the bridge from inside the guitar. When it's through, push it into the bridge slot. The piezo is very thin, approximately 0.8mm. You can file down the bridge saddle to compensate for the string height. This is the microphone holder. Remove the layer covering the adhesive tape. Reaching through the sound hole, stick the holder flatly on the treble side, about 5mm from the guitar top or soundboard, with the 2 shown points upward. This is the microphone. It plugs directly into the mic holder. Point the mic upward towards the soundboard. You can experiment with the mic position to your own taste. This gives you an overview. There's a much more detailed YouTube video on Phantasma installation from Nico Di Battista, a great artist and technician. It's in Italian with comprehensive subtitles in English as well. An excellent video. This is the preamp. On the left you see air. This side controls the microphone. Here we have high pass filter and volume. The mic delivers the beautiful overtones and picks up percussion playing on the body of the guitar as well. On the right side you see depth. This side controls the piezo. Here we have low pass filter and volume. This gives you the punch and fundamental tones. Once you've got the optimal balance, you can adjust the overall volume with the master. The preamp uses a 9-volt block battery, but you can also use an AC adapter. One for Strings Cremona is an amplifier designed for classical instruments like violin, viola, and classical guitar, but still I find it amazing for playing steel string. This amp is equipped with what Acus calls a TSF system, which is a custom audio preamp designed by their R&D department. The TSF system, thanks to a perfect balance of even and odd harmonics, creates a really natural sound, reproducing all the harmonics of high-quality acoustic instruments accurately. The amp has 3 mic line inputs with peak LEDs, a 4-band EQ, HSF filter, effect send and volume, an auxiliary input with a dedicated volume, direct out with -10 dB pre and post switch, and a manual feedback cancelling filter. The headphone output has a dedicated volume control. Cremona has studio quality reverb with 4 different settings and with an effects return control. The cabinet is birch plywood. The speaker is a custom 8-inch and is 150 watts. The total weight is 13 kilos. I actually also sync through the amp with a dynamic microphone and it sounds great. I can mix my guitar and voice through the Cremona and send it to the PA system with the direct out and have a perfect monitor sound on stage. I'm going to play the Magic Guitar with the Phantasma pickup into the Cremona and directly out of the Cremona into Cubase. The speaker's muted, so this is just the preamp sound into Cubase.